Hello, in this tutorial what we're going to do is make a printable bin that you can actually print off yourself with your 3D printer. So let's just delete this cube. I'm just going to add in a simple mesh, and the mesh I'm going to add in is a cylinder. So we'll add in a cylinder, and I'm just going to actually scale the bottom face by hitting the tab key, going into face, which is up here, and just scale this down until we've got a bin shape. So we've got our bin shape, and we don't need the tops and bottoms, so I'm just going to select the top, hold the shift, select the bottom, X, and delete faces, only faces. So go online, select the bottom edge and press F3, and we're going to grid fill this. And then what we'll do is we're going to actually subdivide this by pressing Ctrl and R until we get some square shapes on our model, just like that. And then we'll go out of edit mode. So hit the spanner or wrench, add in a modifier, and we're going to add in a wireframe modifier. And as you can see, we've got the boundary not ticked here. You need to tick this, otherwise this will actually make your 3D print fall apart. So tick that, and we'll just add in a subdivision modifier and add search up here and put and select subdivision modifier. So we made shapes. Now if you want to keep these kind of shapes, then you could actually just print it at that, but what we're going to do is make these into round holes because I think it looks a little bit better, just like that. And I think I'm going to increase the thickness of my plastic or printable material to 0.04 just to make it that bit more chunky, and it does do a better print. So just apply all these just like that. And there you have it, we've got ourselves a printable bin. But of course, it's a big bin at the minute. So press the N key, and as we can see, if we go onto the item, it's 2 meters by 2 meters. Nobody's got a printer that can print that. So we'll just put this down to 0.25 of a meter, which is 25 centimeters. Just like that. Press the full stop key just to zoom in on our model. And as you can see, it's not changed much, but it's now a printable size. So Ctrl and A just to fix rotation and scale. And there you have it, the scale is 111, and all you have to do now is actually save this into export this into an STL file, which of course you can then print. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow me on my channel, and we cover different modeling tricks and tips in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe.